Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Children, today we are celebrating the theme of the month and the theme is religion. Children, we live in our country India where there are so many people who are worshipping God in a different way. I'm sure when you start your day, you also worship your God, isn't it? Everyone has got a different style, different way to worship their God. You must have seen there are so many religious places around. What are the different religious places? Can you think about some? Let me tell you, there are places like temple, church, Gurudwara, isn't it? So, there are so many different religious places and our brothers and sisters go there and worship their God. So, what is religion, children? Religion is a way you communicate, you talk to God, you express to God. Yes, when we are sad, unhappy, right? And sometimes when we are happy, grateful, thankful, when all these things happen, we always remember God. We say thank you to God for all the things He has given to us. But like I told you, there are so many different ways to say thank you, to ask forgiveness to Almighty, to God. Children, remember that God is one for all, but He exists in different forms. He may appear to you in a different way, but He is one and the same for all the people. So, the names of the religions that you must have heard, or maybe the way the people around you are practicing it might be different. But remember, they all are grateful, thankful, and worship the same God who is there for everyone. Let us take a look at the different religions in our country, India.
Let us take a look at some of the major religions in our country. Hinduism, Jainism, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Islam. Children, these are some of the religions that are practiced in our country, India. There are some others too, like Jainism, Judaism, Paganism, Shinto, and Taoism. There are different places of worship. India is a democratic country. There are different religions in our country. They are Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and Sikhs. Hence, places of worship are also different, like temple, mosque, church, Gurudwara. Now, let us understand about these places of worship in details. Temple. Temple is a place of worship for Hindus. Hindus worship idols of gods and goddesses. Hindus offer flowers, fruits, and sweets to their god. Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita are the two main holy books for Hindus. Hindus' sacred symbol is Om. Mosque. Mosque is a place of worship for Muslims. They believe in one God, Allah. Muslims offers namaz to their God. Friday is the special prayer day for Muslims. Quran is the holy book for Muslims. Their sacred symbol is moon and star. Church is a place of worship for Christians. Christians believe Jesus Christ as the Son of God. Christians worship Lord Jesus Christ and Mother Mary. Sunday is the special prayer day for Christians. Bible is the holy book for Christians. Their sacred symbol is cross. Gurudwara. Gurudwara is a special place of worship for Sikhs. Sikhs pray Guru Nanak and 9 other Sikh Gurus. Sunday is the special prayer day for Sikhs. Gurudwaras hold langar to feed the poor and the hungry. Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book for Sikhs. Ek Omkar is their sacred symbol.
All the religions have some common teachings like always love other people, always try to help and serve the poor, always be grateful and thankful to God for what you have. Never practice violence. Do not get angry at times. Always be at peace. I am sure you must have also learned all these things. And as you grow old, you are learning so many new things. Remember, children, love, humanity, compassion, these are all the values that are taught by all the religions to all the children. Right? I hope you have understood a lot of things today.